Okay guys, I just wanted to make a review video for you for your Unit 4 assessment quiz that's going to be coming up soon. We've been talking about singing and about our voices, and so there are 10 things on your quiz that you're going to have. We have soprano, cambiata, head voice or head register, alto, tenor, bass, range, vocal cords, chest voice or register, and diaphragm. So quickly I'm going to go over these. You need to know that the soprano typically is associated with the female voice, and it is the higher range of the female voice, okay? The lower range of the female voice is the alto. You need to know that the tenor bass is the higher male range, and then the bass is the lower male voice, okay? Now, keep in mind there can be female tenors, we can have male altos and so forth, but typically in adult voices, soprano and alto is associated with the females, tenor and bass are associated with the males, okay? The cambiata, remember that's the term we use to refer to the changing male voice in middle school, when your voice starts going from alto range into tenor and you start getting the cracks in your voice and then potentially moving on into the bass range. So that's what cambiata is. Our head voice, remember that's when we are singing higher pitches. You're gonna wanna make sure that you use that head voice placement to sing higher pitches. As opposed to that, remember for lower pitches, we're going to be using what we call our chest voice. So those are those lower, darker sounding tones, okay? Range, remember that is the lowest to the highest pitch you can comfortably sing. And then of course the range names were what we talked about just now, the soprano, alto, tenor, bass. There are more vocal range names than that, but those are the four main ones I want you to know. Vocal cords, remember those are, or vocal folds, those are those muscles. Those are those muscles in your larynx, in your vocal box, voice box, that they vibrate when what passes through them? When air passes through them. And then of course our diaphragm. That's that large muscle that we want to use when we are taking nice low breaths so that we support our tone. So we use this muscle in singing. So these are our 10 terms that I want you to make sure that you know. Write these down and then you can use them on your quiz and make 100.